Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, July 9th, 2025, and we're wondering what the hell is going on with this stock and this company and the person in charge of the company, Elon Musk, who is driving shareholders absolutely insane at the moment with all of his political banter towards Donald Trump and the Trump administration. And so I want to go over a couple of things with you here and why what we're seeing here is potentially not that big a deal as long as we can kind of hold up where we are. So first of all, earnings on Tesla is coming up on the 23rd of July. I honestly don't know how everything's going to look on that end. I know delivery numbers are down, so I'm assuming sales will be down. So we'll see, but this is the longer term time frame chart from the from 1/1 of 23, so January 1st, 23 to basically yesterday. And while we're looking at this level here as a pretty solid support of 295, it seems to kind of hold up. The last few times that it's dumped off, you know, whenever Trump and Elon started to kind of have a feud, it fell down. It really actually fell all the way like to 280 or a little bit less and popped its head up. And then they started to kind of make up again, and he started saying crap about him again, and it fell down, bounced up, and seems to somewhat be holding here. And what we want to see over the next week to 2 weeks is really want to see it try to make its way back closer to like the 320 to 330 level. If that happens, our golden cross breakout indicator is going to signal that we should see some momentum moving in the upward direction, and that would be huge if we can kind of start making our way up prior to earnings and making a little bit of traction kind of back up to this level over here. Again, I don't know what's going to happen with earnings, how they're going to look, so I would really like to see it kind of making some upward momentum and get some traction moving in the right direction before earnings, because if it stays around this level here and earnings comes out and it sucks, then I mean you could potentially break that 268 level, even go all the way down to like $200 or so. It's possible that you can see that, but you know, I'm not sure how that earnings outlook is going to look. This is a 4-hour time frame over here. We do need a little bit more traction as far as getting back above that golden cross breakout indicator. I think we need to get to about 350 before this line will cross over that one and kind of signal that we should have some upward momentum. But overall, a big thing for Tesla investors is they're just kind of, I think Elon, every time he talks and you know, talks about Trump and all this other stuff, and like all his focus is not where it needs to be. Tesla CEO, forgot her name, but there's someone who just stepped down. Not Tesla, someone from X stepped down today, so now he's gonna have to shift his attention towards there, replacing that person. But anywho, overall longer term, I think that we should recover. Just when we will recover, I don't know. We could go further down before we start seeing that recovery, but your key levels look for 268.48 and then 208.56 if for some reason we don't start making traction and moving back up, if we continue to move to the downside. So anyway, just wanted to give you that quick update. Let me know your thoughts. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.